CNN News 18. We continue to track the attack on actor Saif Ali Khan earlier today morning at about 4 a.m. is when he was taken to Lilavati Hospital and he is in fact undergoing surgery by a team of doctors. Now Lilavati Hospital has also in fact released a statement where they have said that the surgery is underway and a team of doctors are in fact doing the surgery as far as Saif Ali Khan's condition is concerned. Now there has in fact been 6 stab wounds on him is what the Lilavati statement has also in fact said. We are also getting a breaking input as far as the story is concerned. Now, Junior NTR shocked and has said that he's shocked and saddened to hear about the attack on Saif Sir, wishing and praying for his speedy recovery and good health. So, this is a statement that he has posted on X where he said, and I quote, shocked and saddened to hear about the attack on Saif Sir, wishing and praying for his speedy recovery and good health. I'm in fact joined by my colleague Vishal on this. Vishal, more and more speedy wishes, recovery wishes that are coming in from celebrities, also concerns that is being raised for the law and order situation in Mumbai.
Well, yes, first it was Pooja Bhatt and now Saif Devra co-star Junior NTR has tweeted and wished him speedy recovery. But you know, I was talking to a bodyguard of A-lister just a few minutes ago, inquiring about what kind of security cover these movie stars get. And the role of the bodyguards are basically to stop them to go near the public or being mobbed. However, the role of police is to safeguard them. And in the case of Saif, Saif did not have any police security cover provided to him. And this is not there's no threat to his life. This is a case of robbery. So one thing is that what I came to know after talking to the people who own and run these security agencies. Now, Saif Ali Khan is, like you said, he's undergoing the surgery. The families around him. What we know is, yes, the kids, Taimur and Jay and Kareena Kapoor are safe, and Saif is right now is in Lilavati Hospital. Is admitted there and is being operated right now.
All right, Vishal, I request you to stay with us as we are getting another breaking input on the very same story. Now, Fakhrul Hasan Chand, the Samajwadi Party spokesperson under the BJP government incidents, said that under the BJP government, incidents like attack and threat on film stars have increased. Now, the BJP government in Maharashtra has completely failed on the issue of law and order situation. The attack on popular actor Saif Ali Khan by unknown assailants who entered his house at night is a very serious matter, wishing actor Saif Ali Khan a speedy recovery. I'm now joined by Mr. Ashok Pandit. Mr. Ashok Pandit, thank you for joining with us. Now, we are seeing that more and more opposition are attacking the Mahayuti government over the law and order situation in Maharashtra, citing how a celebrity can be attacked, then a common man's safety is gone for a toss.
See, I don't want to politicize the issue. It's a matter of concern, and opposition is supposed to. It's their job to raise up issues which are meaningless, and it's very important for for people like us, students like us, to discuss this issue seriously. Saif lives in a building, and especially in a building where a celebrity stays, they have their own guards, they have their own security. And also the society, the building have their own security guards. Now, the police cannot be outside every flat and every building to protect you. So let's not be trivialize this entire issue. It's very important for the police, and I'm sure police will do that. Police is quite efficient enough to find out what happened. And the question which I, as a common man, I think is that, first of all, how can one open a door of somebody at 2:30 late in the night, early in the morning? So that means the person is a known person to the maids or whatever. The maid was supposed to be, as far as the news is concerned, she was being attacked, and Saif came in between and he had to face the brunt. What was the security of the building doing down? And these days, when there are so many apps like MyGate and all that, there are permissions being taken by the security to the flat owner, whether I should allow this person to go up and not go up. So it's basically a major compromise and major faux pas as far as the building security is concerned. And the security guards of the building also have to be picked up, and I'm sure police will do the inquiry. But we at IFTDA, the Director Association and the Federation of workers. We are really concerned about Saif's health, his well-being, and we hope that he will be out of this and will come back in his usual form. It's an incident which definitely has raised questions in one's mind, how compromised the security of the buildings are these days.
Absolutely. Thank you, Mr. Ashok Pandit, for joining with us and sharing your perspective. I'm also, in fact, joined by CNN News 18's Preeti Sompura, who is reporting live from Saif Ali Khan's residence. Preeti, क्या अभी तक कितनी गिरफ्तारी, क्या अभी तक एक भी गिरफ्तारी हुई है? 3 लोगों को डिटेन किया गया है। क्या पूरे मामले में कोई भी गिरफ्तारी हुई है अभी तक?
मुंबई पुलिस ने फिलहाल जो है 3 लोगों को हिरासत में लिया है। ये 3 लोग वही लोग हैं जो सैफ अली खान के घर में काम करते थे। पुलिस ने जो है नौकर जो है उनको हिरासत में लेकर पूछताछ की है। साथ में जो नौकरानी जिसने सबसे पहली बार जो है चोर को देखा था उसकी भी स्टेटमेंट लिया गया है। और मुंबई पुलिस का ये कहना है कि चोर जो है कोई जिसको पूरा पता था कि सैफ अली खान के घर में कहाँ कहाँ क्या क्या रखा है और चोरी के इरादे से ही जो है वो घर में घुसा था। फिलहाल जो है मुंबई पुलिस ने इस बिल्डिंग में जो सीसीटीवी लगे हैं उसकी छानबीन कर ली है। मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि ये हाइट जो है यहाँ की काफी कम है। आप देखें कि मेरा हाथ भी यहाँ पहुंच रहा है। अंदर के जो वीडियो है वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी। इसका हाइट जो है काफी कम है। तो मुंबई पुलिस का ये मानना है कि जो चोर जो है वो छलांग लगाकर जो है यहाँ से घुसा है, क्योंकि यहाँ बाजू में भी जो है एक बंगला है वो भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, उसकी भी जो हाइट है काफी कम है। और मुंबई पुलिस का ये भी एक अंदाजा है कि चोर जो है यहाँ से कूद कर अंदर गया है। अब देखिए कि इसके बाजू का जो बंगला है उसकी हाइट भी काफी कम है। तो ये बंगलो जो है यहाँ का एंट्रेंस भी जो है हमेशा खुला रहता है, अभी भी ये खुला है। तो यहीं से जो है चोर अंदर घुसा होगा ऐसा पुलिस का अंदाजा है। और यहाँ पर एक सीसीटीवी भी लगाया है जिसको भी जो है मुंबई पुलिस ने छानबीन सीसीटीवी की भी की है।
All right. Thank you, Preeti Sompura, for joining with us and sharing all those live updates from ground, where she is in fact reporting from right outside the residence of Saif Ali Khan, where earlier today the attack occurred. Now with that, it's a wrap on this bulletin. More news and update on the other side. Stay tuned.